These are hot.
Oh. Put it down. Are you okay?
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic.
Oh, magic!
I am your host, Evan Era. I've got Veronica with me, and this is part 2 of our 2021 Halloween special.
Happy Halloween!
We've got plenty of tricks. I also have some treats for Halloween. Would you like a treat?
Yes.
Have it.
Rightfully so.
If you missed part 1, you can check it out right up here.
Hit that thumbs up button and let's go.
Here's how to set up this Halloween prank. You need a broom and a scary Halloween mask. You're also going to need a black sheet and a dowel rod. The last thing you'll need is some fishing line. You've got the broom creating the hinge right here. Put the dowel rod right here in front of the door, just like this. Also gotta point out, we didn't cut this dowel rod to like fit this space. We just had a scrap piece in the studio and it just perfectly fits right here. Talk about serendipity. This was a meant to be prank. Now all you have to do is take your fishing line, you're gonna tie it onto the handle of the broom. Now once you have this tied on, you're gonna run it through the black cloth right out the front. Now drape the black cloth over the broom and then tie it to the handle of the door. And the hinge that you've created will cause your scary Halloween ghost to spring up and scare them as soon as they open the door. And if they open and close it again, they just keep scaring themselves. What happened?
What do you mean? What happened? I think you know what happened.
I think your truck's full of water.
It's all up in the pipe, in the window.
Happy Halloween!
To pull this one off, you're going to need a bunch of empty cans. So take a bunch of empty aluminum cans and you're going to fill someone's car with them. Shout out to Liquid Death for sending me all this free water. So dump your cans inside the car, make sure the door is closed, and then your prank is set. They'll open the door, the cans come spilling out. It's a harmless Halloween prank that you can pull off at home, and the cleanup is super easy because it's only aluminum cans.
Cans!
Oh my God!
There was no bin, it was full of cans.
Ooh, these are hot. Spicy. All you need to set this up is a box, some aluminum foil, a lamp wick, some lighter fluid, a hot glue gun, and a lighter. Our first step is to hot glue some aluminum foil right inside the lid of the box, just like this. Now you're going to take a piece of lamp wick and glue it in place right on top of the aluminum foil. Position the lighter in the box and glue it in place so that you're in position to strike it right here with your finger. So your last step is to take some lighter fluid and you're just going to soak the lamp wick. And now you are all set up and good to go for your prank. All you have to do when you want to make the box burst into flames is simply strike the lighter wheel. It will ignite the lighter fluid on the lamp wick and create this amazing illusion of the box just erupting in flames. So you're positioned here with your finger, and all you do is just flick that lighter wheel, and it will ignite the flame just like that. The aluminum foil protects the box from burning, but don't let it burn for too long, because keep in mind this front lid right here is still cardboard and is not protected. If you're a kid, obviously you need an adult's help with this. Don't set this up at home without a parent's help. I think you have a gray hair.
Don't say that. I do not.
Oh, really? Right there. See it?
I do not.
Look.
No, I don't. Cute. Thank God.
Okay, here is the secret to the gray hair. It's mostly just old age and stress is what causes gray hair. We have these available now at EvanEraTV.com. It's a little sponge rabbit, a little foam gray hair. Take the hair and conceal it in your hand just like this. And then you can extend your finger to point at someone while still concealing it in your hand. I think you have a gray hair. And then as you reach up, you're going to let this expand as you open your hand, and it looks like you just pull a gray hair from behind their head. Get a magic gray hair from EvanEraTV.com, or stay tuned for the end of the video and you can win one for free. Want some chicken?
Okay. Smells good. You okay? Are you okay? Ah! Where did that come from?
A bone in a chicken. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Here is the secret to coughing up a giant bone. So this is a foam bone. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win one of these. I'm giving it away to one lucky comment. So you can press this thing just like this, and you can conceal it in your hand. And then this works just like coughing up cards. You're just gonna take the end of it and put it in your mouth as you let it extend and expand from your hand. Two different cards here. I have a red card and I have a blue card. They're both folded up like this. Yes. I'm going to hand you the cards. Just hold out your hand just like this. Either one, perfect. All right, so you're gonna hold the cards just like so and close your hand around them, like squeeze it like a fist. Turn it over just like so. Perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to remove one of the cards from your hand. So loosen up your fist just a little bit. Okay. I'm going to pull out the red card. Going to remove the red card from your hand, okay? So I'm going to take the red card and put it in my pocket. And I also have a syringe full of magic red liquid. Okay? What card do you have in your hand? I pulled the red one out, so you have the
blue one.
Right, the blue one's in your hand. But what if I told you I could take the syringe? Watch.
Oh! I love
and
that.
inject the red liquid into your hand. It goes through your hand and it permeates the card. And look, open your hand. The blue card actually changes to red, just like
what?
Oh, crazy.
No way! I saw you pull the red one out.
Yeah, the blue one's actually in my pocket now. So, yeah.
How does... You have to show me how that works.
Here's what you need to set this up. You're going to need 3 different playing cards, a blue back card and 2 red back cards. You're going to need something to cut the cards with, and this right here, this is a fake syringe needle. The point looks like a needle, goes right into your skin, but it's actually retractable. It's got a little spring mechanism right in here. You can see it if you look close. It's also got this red tube right in the middle that really looks like it's full of red liquid, but it also retracts up into the handle of this so that you can make it look like you just inject the red liquid into their hand, and then you can make it reappear. All you gotta do is press this little button on the end. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win this in this week's magic giveaway. Setup on this is pretty simple. You're gonna take these cards and fold them into quarters like this, and you're gonna cut out one of the corners. You can set this 3/4 of a card aside. You won't need it. You're gonna take this and put it on the back of your blue card. You're gonna glue it in place, or you can use some double-sided tape. You're then going to fold this card up just like so. Do the same thing with the red card. Fold it into quarters just like this. Now here's how you're gonna present the cards to the audience. They have a red card here and a blue card. Be careful not to flash the red back of your blue card. You're going to put them in the spectator's hand with the double-sided card face down right there. So that when they close their hand up and turn it over, you're now in the perfect position if you grab the top card to remove your double-sided one. So now they believe that you're removing the red card, you've actually removed the blue one. You take this, put it in your pocket, while at the same time you retrieve your syringe. Then do your little routine of injecting the mysterious red liquid into their hand. Ask them which card they think they hold, and when they open their hand, they will be completely shocked to see that the blue card has now somehow turned red thanks to this mysterious red liquid.
Ridiculous. I didn't see anything. Very funny.
This is a classic prank. It's super easy to do. It's a perfect one to do when you're trick-or-treating if you have a friend with you. The invisible rope prank, all you have to do, you and your friend get across the street from each other, wait for a car to come, make sure you're not in the street, safety first, stand on either side of the street and get in kind of like this position like you're holding a rope. This is all just acting and pantomiming. The person in the car is gonna think you're holding a rope or a string or something, and then you just casually set it down and walk away. Okay, that is it for this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it too. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you're new and tap that notification bell so you see all of our videos. And it is giveaway time. If you want to win a magic gray hair, all you have to do is leave a comment in the comment section down below. These little sponge rabbits are great for so many different tricks. The link for that is in the description at EvanEraTV.com if you want to get one of these from our online shop, or you can win it in the giveaway by simply leaving a comment on this video and giving the video a thumbs up.
Here are the giveaway winners from the last How To Magic video. The winners are right here. Look in the description to see how you can claim your prize. Be sure to check out our Halloween Magic playlist.
We have over 20 videos in our Halloween Magic playlist, so check that out. There's a link in the description for it, and there's like a little card popping up here somewhere. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay
positive, work hard, and laugh at life.
Love you guys.
Happy Halloween!